Okay, children. I'm saying from Italy unified. Italy is unification. You all just pay attention and listen to me. Good morning, all of you. Italy was divided into 7 states. A. Sardinia Piedmont, ruled by Italian princely house. Second, North was under Austrian Habsburg. Full stop. Next point, C point. The center was ruled by Pope. The southern region was under the Bourbon King of Spain. Full stop. Now you write next point. In 1830, Giuseppe Mazzini. Please put on a video of Pratishta, Sarthak, Ishita. I will not be telling you all again and again. I will just remove you all. अगर वीडियो जिसका भी ऑन नहीं हुआ उसको मैं हटा दूंगी. On and off, I'll be checking everybody's. Anushka Dwivedi, okay. In 1830s, apostrophe S, Giuseppe Mazzini, Giuseppe Giuseppe Mazzini had attempted unsuccessfully for a unitary Italian republic. Full stop. He also formed, same point, he also formed a secret society called Young Italy for the dissemination, dissemination, dissemination of his goals. Full stop. Same point. His revolutionary uprising both of 1831 and 1843 failed. Full stop. Next point now. Now the responsibility fell, F-E-L-L, fell on Sardinia Piedmont, S-A-R-D-I-N-I-A, Sardinia Piedmont, P-I-E-D-M-O-N-T. Piedmont is a kind of plateau which is between, on one side it is having mountain and the other side it is having plain. That is why it is called as Piedmont. Sardinia Piedmont under its ruler. Now the responsibility who's speaking fell on Sardinia Piedmont under its ruler, King Victor Emmanuel II. Keep the books in front of you all. There should be no mistake. King Victor Emmanuel, E-M-M-A-N-U-E-L. Emmanuel II, to unify the Italian states. Full stop. Next point. Later, the chief minister, Cavour. See the spelling on the board. Cavour led the movement to unify the regions. Same point. Through a tactful, through a tactful diplomatic alliance, with France, comma, Sardinia Piedmont succeeded in defeating the Austrian forces. Ashish, writing, not writing. Austrian forces in 1859, full stop. Next point. Besides regular troops, comma, a large armed volunteers, under the leadership Giuseppe Garibaldi joined the war. Full stop. Next point. In 1860, they marched into southern Italy. And Sicilies, Sicilies. Two Sicilies, it is written in your book, you write Sicilies, and drove out the Spanish rulers. Full stop. Next point. In 1861, speed is okay, children? Thumbs up. Okay. Victor Emmanuel II was proclaimed King of United Italy. Full stop. However, as Italian population was highly illiterate, they remained blissfully unaware. Blissfully means happily unaware of liberal nationalism and believed that, single quotation marks, La Italia, L-A, then Italia, war, quotation marks close. I had told you all that when you go to Rome, you will find this name only on the airport. La Italia was Victor Emmanuel's wife. Apostrophe S, wife. Quotation mark. Macmillan's wife, full stop. Next heading, the strange case of Britain. The strange case of Britain. First point, 18th century. Put a dash. 18th century, put a dash. The British Isle, ISLE. The British Isles were inhabited by four ethnic groups. By four ethnic groups, put a dash. English, Welsh, Scots, and Irish. English, Welsh, Scots, and Irish. Full stop. Among these, English grew in wealth, importance, and power. Among these, English grew in wealth, importance, and power. Full stop. Next point. English Parliament. English Parliament seized, SEIZED, seized power from the monarchy in 1688. In 1688, after a long conflict. The word in your book is protracted. After a long conflict. Full stop. England became the center of nation state. England became the center of nation state. Subheading, Scotland. Scotland. First point, the Act of Union. The Act of Union in bracket 1707. Bracket close. Act of Union 1707 between England and Scotland. Resulted in the formation of the United Kingdom of Great Britain. Single quotation marks, United Kingdom of Great Britain. The Act of Union 1707 between England and Scotland resulted in the formation of United Kingdom of Great Britain, quotation marks, in effect. In effect, full stop. Next point, England imposed. We are talking of Scotland, so these are 1, 2, 3, 4 points of Scotland only, okay? Next point, England imposed its influence on Scotland. Its influence on Scotland, full stop. Influence on Scotland. Same point, Scotland's, apostrophe S, Scotland's distinctive culture. Distinctive culture. Distinctive culture and political institution were systematically suppressed. Full stop. Next point, Scottish Highlands. Scottish Highlands suffered terrible repression whenever they attempted to assert their independence. Scottish Highlands suffered terrible repression whenever they attempted to assert their independence. Full stop. Next point. The Scottish Highlanders. The Scottish Highlanders were forbidden to speak. Were forbidden to speak the Gaelic. Gaelic. Gaelic, as I told you all, language of Scotland. Usually, Wordsworth used to write poems in this. The Scottish Highlanders were forbidden to speak the Gaelic language or wear their national dress, and many were forcibly driven out of their homeland. Many were forcibly driven out of their homeland. Full stop. Subheading Ireland. Ireland. First point, Ireland was divided between Catholics and Protestant. Between Catholics and Protestant. Protestants. Protestants. Stop. English helped the Protestant. English helped the Protestant to establish their dominance. Over a largely Catholic country. Full stop. Next point. Catholics revolted against British dominance. Catholics revolted against British dominance, but were suppressed. Full stop. Same point. Afterward, Ireland was forcibly incorporated. Into the United Kingdom. In 1801. Full stop. Next point. A new British nation was formed. Single quotation marks. A new British nation was formed with the symbols. Symbols, put a dash. British flag. Underline the word British flag. In bracket, Union Jack. Comma. Next line, national anthem. The national anthem. In bracket, God save our noble king. Bracket close. God save our noble king. Next line, English language. Put a dash again. Were actively promoted. And the older nations survived only as subordinate partners. In this union. Full stop. Next, we are going to continue, children. Okay, just now your English class is going to start. Let me take your attendance.